So today we'll be looking at the Wonderboom Remix portable Bluetooth speakers. In this video, I'll be taking a look at them, taking a look at the packaging at first. So we can go ahead and check out the Ultimate Ears 2-pack bundle. Comes in a 2-pack, come 2 of them. Here on the side, we see an image, a little bit of activity going on with one of the speakers here in place. Somebody's using the speaker with some activity. Here's some more outdoor activity with the Bluetooth speakers, the Wonderboom Remix. It says connect 2 Wonderboom Remix speakers to party louder. They are IPX7 waterproof rated. It's got a up to 5 foot drop proof rating, or for a test they did. And then there's a 360 sound, what lets out the sound 360 all the way around. And then the batteries hold about a 10-hour charge. And here it says surprisingly big sound. Enjoy crisp, clear sound with big, beautiful bass everywhere you go. This truly portable speaker with huge personality even lets you play and pause your music without touching your phone. And then down here we have a website and then a 2-year warranty on that device. It says it right here on the box. And then if you take a look at this side, we see a little bit of a water activity. The speaker is floating on some water. So let's go ahead and take a look inside, see what it all comes with. Just a black packaging box once the sleeve comes off. And as we take that off, we will see that there are the 2 speakers right down in there. And then right up here we have some information. There's a power on-off switch. There's a long press to pair for Bluetooth, and then press once to play pause, or double press to skip a song. In the middle, that's the pause play, and then double up to connect 2, press and hold the logo button. We're going to go ahead and try that out here in a little bit. And then for the full user guide, visit the website shown here. So let's go ahead and continue, see what else comes in the box. We do see the 2 speakers. See what all is in the box. Let's go ahead and take these out. Looks like we do have another box. Get that out of the way. Let's go ahead and check out this box, see what it all comes with. Looks like there's some reading information in there. Just a little bit of reading information. It looks like the chargers, Ultimate Ears, in terms of used papers, that type of thing. Let's go ahead and pull these guys out. The charging cable. Not seeing the wall adapter piece for those, but we got 2 of these, kind of a yellow-green cable for charging the speakers. There we go, 1, 2. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the speakers. We'll go ahead and start off down at the bottom. There is a couple of these little, I guess they're kind of on everything, but some kind of signs and whatnot. We do have a charging port down here. Looks like it does have some sort of gasket or something to keep it watertight. That is cool. But charging port right down here in the back. It does have that mesh, goes all the way around 360. There's a volume up and down button right up here on the front. As we take a look at the top, we will see that there is that power button right down here at the bottom. There's that Ultimate Ears logo down here in the middle, and that's the pause play button. There is a little round circle there up top for Bluetooth, and then it has like a little loop here, kind of a stretchy loop for hanging it. You know, maybe put on a carabiner or something like that and hang it on your backpack as you're driving, as you're boarding. You got some music to listen to, kind of cool, nice for outdoor activities. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pair these up with my device. Start off by pressing the power button. Get both of them turned on. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and double check, get my Bluetooth on. Get rid of that. So we got my Bluetooth on, and it's currently searching. I will need to turn these on. I'm gonna go ahead, press and hold them simultaneously. So they both have been kind of activated. So we got one popping up on the phone here, the Wonderboom. Go ahead, select that. Starts pairing. Are you sure you want to pair? We're going to go ahead, select OK. And only paired with one. I'm going to go ahead and rescan one more time. See if that second one does not pop up. So these could be paired to 2 separate phones. I will be most likely using them on just the one. But there is the option of linking them to 2 different ones, 2 separate phones. So that is also possible. Gonna give it a second shot, second attempt to connect the two. And then on the box it did say do a long press in the middle to get them to link up. No device found. I'm gonna wait till it's blinking to scan, because we will need to link up to the second one. There we go, there's the second one is now popping up. You sure you want to? Yes. So now both of them are connected for audio. So I'm just gonna go in here into the YouTube video that I was watching previously. An Apple ID or activation lock or anything like that. So just a little heads up there for all you guys that are gonna ask. The volume button here on this one works. This one, as you guys can tell, you guys might not be able to tell, but this one is not currently active. This one is playing, this one is not. So what we gotta do is, in order to activate both of them,
once it's powered off, I'm going to go
press
ahead
and hold the
I'll just give it a couple seconds here just to make sure that
buttons here at the top.
Powered off. And I will begin out.
So now the two are connected.
My charging cable is connected to my laptop. So make sure your charging cable is connected to your laptop.
We'll pause that for now. But these two have been connected. They should be connected.
Once you're there, go and hold the home button. And while you're holding that down,
so now they're both playing.
Insert the charging cable.
We'll turn that one down.
Keep holding. It's at the Apple screen. Make
sure
you're
this
still
one up.
Holding your thing. And once it's on the iTunes logo, you can at this point release the iTunes logo. And from here, we will move on over to
so now they are both working.
Just so you guys
pause it on one.
Can see what is going on over there.
So now these two are synced. They should be both working together. So that is my quick little demonstration video unboxing, and then just a Bluetooth pairing, getting everything set up on these Wonderboom portable Bluetooth speakers. So there you guys have it. Pretty awesome, pretty cool. If you guys liked it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.